It's remarkable. I wanted to go to the Atlantis launch, and I didn't get to go. Bobby Russell is here from Quest for Stars, and then Max and Grant are here from High Tech High. They just graduated 2 weeks ago from High Tech High. Congratulations, by the way. That's really sharp. Bobby, tell me about Quest for Stars just briefly, because we want to set up how this all fits in with the Atlantis shuttle ride.
Yeah, Quest for Stars is an educational nonprofit which is designed to inspire science, technology, engineering, and mathematics studies by students. We take our program to high schools such as High Tech High, take a design that we have flown previously and then hand it to the students and then challenge them to make it better. And in this case, Max and Grant captured the last 3 shuttle flights of the program, both Discovery, Endeavour, and Atlantis, with their work on this box.
Now, you say work on this box. This looks like a picnic box, but it has a camera inside it. It went up in a balloon, right? And you got permission to have that thing in the area. How far away were you from the shuttle launches, including Atlantis?
Barely legal.
Barely legal?
Barely legal.
I'm going to say, what, 30 miles?
40 nautical miles.
40 nautical miles. And you were able to launch this thing, even though there were great air restrictions around there. Tell us what you tried to find out with this camera floating up there in a balloon.
Well, we tried to capture it on camera. We have, on this one, we flew 4 cameras on the last one.
4 cameras?
Yeah, and on this one has housing for 6 cameras, actually. So we launch it up and we have a 360-degree view, so every camera, like one camera's at least got a shot of the shuttle. Mm-hmm. And in the future, we're going to be doing more scientific research with it.
You're San Diego, High Tech High students, and you're there at the launching of these shuttles. What was that like for you, Grant?
Oh, it was a cool experience, definitely. Yeah, we were actually 6 miles away from the launch pad. So after we got this off and got everything squared away, we actually ran outside to the back and got to see the shuttle go up.
Did it kind of rattle your bones when it went up, that thundering roar? And then let's talk about this. This looks heavy. It's just incredibly light. Tell us what this is part of what's being designed next.
This is the next generation. Now, with this box, we send it up and it kind of falls by parachute wherever it may land. The wind takes it. So this has put us in peril at times, in swamps and mountains. This is designed to go to the edge of space and carry everything. This is a scale model of what we will have, but we'll carry everything this box carries, and then it will fly back to a predetermined location where we can go and safely retrieve it.
And it's going to have a camera. Let me see. Right?
Yes, right here is where the camera is going to be, and that'll be looking down, and we're going to add other cameras, but this is our first camera, and so the design is it will be pulled up by the balloon.
You got it?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to let go.
It will be pulled up by the balloon just like this, and then it will fall and release and start flying.
Really?
So that is what we're attempting to do with this.
How big is this going to be?
A wingspan of about 10 feet.
10 feet?
And so it'll be about 1.5 feet wide, about the width of this box, the fuselage.
And this is so incredibly light. I thought it was balsa wood when I picked it up. What's it made of?
This is made of a new type of foam called EPP, and it's coated with a ceramic coating to make it more rigid, so it can survive the free fall.
Max, what are you going to do with your life? Now you're out of High Tech High. Where are you going next?
I'm going to San Diego State next, in the fall, and I'm signed up for a journalism major now, but I'm potentially double majoring with some kind of aeronautical engineering.
Oh, I was going to say, you're going to be some kind of engineer, right?
Yeah.
What about you, Grant?
I'm going to Arizona State, the Polytechnic campus. My major is aeronautical engineering.
Okay. The whole thing is now the space program, the shuttle program's over. When Atlantis lands, that's the end of it. What's the future in space for folks like you?
We're making it every day. I don't know. We just...
Yeah, and I'll add to that is if you look at the internet as a great analogy here, back in the mid-90s, the government got out of the internet and deregulated it. Look what we got. We got Facebook, Twitter. I mean, it exploded. Government now is commercializing space. So I would assert that we're at the edge of the internet revolution for space. So if students can go to space and capture something not even NASA captured, imagine what commercial space business can do.
And you're going to go up to Mojave, right? Mojave Desert for the spaceport up there, right?
Yep, we are. We're going to, Grant, Max, and I, we're going to go up and we're going to test drop this from 100,000 feet over some good airspace. Of course, working with the FAA and NASA to do so safely. And our design is to see if it flies. If it breaks apart over Mojave and falls into cactus and scrub brush, it's not really going to hurt anybody.
Yeah,
so we have to test fly it.
You're going to bump into Burt Rutan up there, who's trying to do Spaceship One up there. Exactly. Now, are you going to bring back some video of that when you have your test, whether it works or not?
Absolutely.
And show us here
we'll
on
be
Fox
streaming
5?
it live over the web.
Oh, you will?
Yes.
Good. We'll keep good track of that too. Make sure you let us know because we want to see when you all come back with this thing with whatever's left of it.
It'll be in one piece, I assure you.
And it's going to be a 10-foot wingspan
at least.
Let's find a truck, put that thing, and bring it in here, and we'll just put it in the back lot. It'll fit. You know? That's awesome. That's really exciting. Grant, Max, Bobby, thank you very much. That's terrific. These are San Diego folks getting involved in things like that.